In today's video, I'm gonna be giving you guys an affiliate marketing strategy that you guys could get started with right now and actually make a killing online. I don't know how many people are doing this, but it's a pretty cool idea that I came up with. So definitely check this video out if it's something that you're interested in getting started with. Make sure you watch this video till the very end. And before we get started, leave a like, comment, and also subscribe, just because it helps out the channel. And as I promised, I really want to start pushing out a lot more content. Without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video. So as you guys know, blowing up on TikTok is relatively easy. And with this, this is something that a lot of people didn't have such an easy opening to before, because going viral on Instagram, going viral on Facebook, even going viral on YouTube is a lot more difficult than it is on TikTok. So this opens an opportunity in the market for you guys to go out and start pushing content on a business page. Now, there's two different parts to this strategy. The first part is gonna be the social media side of things. The second part is actually gonna be the affiliate marketing side of things. And this is where the money really starts to play a role in your page. So first things first, you're gonna wanna pick a niche that you're gonna wanna revolve your social media page on, and you're gonna be specifically marketing on TikTok. Now, this also gives you the opportunity to repurpose this content and post it on YouTube Shorts. So that's a little plus bonus there as well, because YouTube has been pushing Shorts in the algorithm. If this is something that you're getting started with, you already have the content, you might as well go ahead and post it on YouTube as well at some point in time. But first things first, you picked your niche. Let's say you're gonna be running in the technology niche, right? So you could be talking about anything like headphones, you could be talking about different companies, Apple, Samsung, Huawei, whatever it is. And you're gonna go out and find different products on Amazon or on ClickBank that you guys could actually get an affiliate promotion link for, right? Now, what you're gonna be doing is consistently posting content each and every single day, talking about different things that have to do with technology, right? You could be giving reviews on, certain headphones, reviews on certain earbuds, whatever it is. You guys are gonna go out there, post reviews on all of these different products. And the second part to this is you're actually going to have a blog, right? Now in this blog, you're gonna be giving, let's say, your top 10 headphones, your top 10 cameras, and these are all products that you're gonna have specific affiliate marketing links with through either ClickBank or Amazon's affiliate center, right? Now, you're essentially marketing these products through your TikTok page and driving traffic to your blog. On your blog, you're gonna be posting those reviews there and also just giving information on these products, which one you would recommend, maybe 1 out of 10 ratings. And as I said, all these products are going to have your affiliate links connected to them. So now you're driving hundreds of thousands of views on your TikTok page. You probably, at this point, should have a decent following on there as well. And now this is a consistent flow of traffic that you can keep pushing onto your blog. Now, every time you promote a different product, you can maybe set up a different blog, a different landing page. And now what you really have is a funnel, right? You're gonna be funneling in people through your TikTok page, through to your blog, and now onto each and every single one of your affiliate links. So over time, essentially your followers and the view counts are obviously gonna compound. Most likely, if you're doing this properly, you're going to create a business that should be sustainable for the long term, as long as you keep consistent with it. So definitely something worth looking into. And the cool thing about this is you don't just have to do this with affiliate marketing. I've spoken about this before. This is actually an organic way to start a Shopify dropshipping business. Same thing, essentially find a couple products, maybe even one product, kind of pick your niche and go ahead and start off a TikTok page for these products and consistently post, a couple times a day, each and every single time, promotions for your products. And eventually some of these products will start to hit TikTok's algorithm. This is gonna bring in revenue to your store, right? So the whole idea here is to essentially create a funnel where you can bring a consistent flow of traffic, a consistent flow of visitors through your TikTok page, over to your Shopify store, over to your blog, over to your affiliate marketing links. And this is exactly how you can generate income online, literally starting off with nothing. Now keep in mind, this is also something that is very scalable, because if you do it once, you could replicate it, right? So you could go ahead and eventually start off 2, 3, 4, 5 different TikTok pages. And as always, if you wanna grow in business, you're gonna have to hire team members. So at that point, you'll probably be generating enough revenue to actually outsource all of this work to other people who can create the content and post videos on your TikTok page. This is a pretty cool strategy I thought of. I actually know some people personally that have done this with the Shopify route, with the affiliate marketing route. I've even seen people selling courses doing this. So if people are selling higher ticket products, Think about the gap in the market for yourself. If you want to go in and maybe sell lower ticket products, start off with something that's a little bit cheaper that might have a little bit more incentive for people to complete a purchase, higher conversion rates, and essentially just work your way up from there. But with that being said, this brings us to the end of the video. If this is a strategy you're gonna try out for yourself or something that you like, make sure you leave a comment down below. Leave a like on the video and also subscribe to my channel so you can see all of my future videos. But with that out of the way, this brings us to the end of the video. So I'll catch you guys in next week's video.